Welcome to unloading the car from my annual neon picking road trip 2024. I have once again driven across Germany to pick up signs that I've bought during the year and that were stored with my neon friends. Some of them are working and some are projects. Once again, I've used my board on the back seat and these metal parts to hold them in place. There's some more stuff on the passenger seat and the car looks a bit like I'm living in there. And there's more in the trunk and underneath there, again, fixed with my special methods. So now I'm going to take this all out of the car, put it on the workshop floor, and then we can take a look on what I found. The rock and roll guitar is a 90s generic sign from the US. They came in different color combinations, and this one has a nice clear blue outline with leaded glass, which has a nicer blue tone than the newer lead-free glass. Someone removed the window bumpers and the transformer, so I'll have a bit of work with this. Coca-Cola bottle on ice cubes. Not sure if this was official. It has nice bends and thick electrodes, but a no-name transformer, and it flashes one time when I plug it in. There's about a 50-50 chance of the transformer or one tube being the culprit. Tube supports are broken, also a little project work. Coors Extra Gold Draft. This sign has the ideal warm color mix for a living room. Very nice one from 1989 in all original condition. Labatt's Blue Canadian Beer. This has been on my wish list, also from 1989. I have even made the drawings for bending this one some months ago, but I haven't started because I thought I couldn't bend those letters nice enough. This and the Coors were surprise finds. I was allowed to dig through the storage of a former German neon company, and these two just appeared in a big box with other broken German signs. König Pilsner, assembled in Germany with glass bent in China, early 2000s. Not working, I hope it's just the transformer. Pizzeria, Chinese sign from around the year 2000 with that interesting document roll kind of border tube. Internet cafe, I bought this because I think it's already something historic from the times you did not have internet on your phone and probably not at home either. Chinese-made sign from around 2000, I guess. Heineken tennis racket, pretty big. This has a broken tube at the top that I have to remake, so I bought it as a project. From the transformer, I think it is from the mid-90s. Kinley, these are two new old stock tubes for signs from around 99 when Coca-Cola Germany did TV ads for their Kinley bitter lemon and tonic drinks. Sharps is an alcohol-free beer from Miller, USA, and the sign is from 1992. But King Dragster is a repro and missing some parts, the big rear tire in blue, a rear spoiler in red, and an air intake and roll bar in white. I have to bend those to make it complete again. Anheuser-Busch electric guitar from end of the 90s from Everbright, Ireland. This has a broken red bow tie that I have to bend new. Cardboard box with an open tube on top, and inside there are tubes for a Merkur Sun, which is the logo of a German slot machine manufacturer. I have two of their older machines from 1989 and 90, and I have to reassemble this sign to a new board. And I had to give that Coca-Cola sign a quick test with another transformer. That doesn't look so bad. Also nothing off in temperature, so I guess the new transformer will fix it. Final information for today. More viewers have been asking if there is a way of donating to the channel. Thanks a lot for that. So I have set up a Buy Me a Coffee account now. My channel is absolutely free. If you still want to do me a favor, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/neonsciencestuff and send a little donation. That's it for today. Please come back to the channel for more. Bye.